Customer states, every time I apply the brakes, my bus is going clunk, clunk. You see, help.
Mechanic says come over here. Let me take a gander. When's the last time this bus was greased?
Grease? Silly Billy, this bus is practically new. It's a 2020 model.
So this bus has never been greased. It has over 50k miles. You will be lucky if your brake and steering components are not toe up from the flow up. This is most likely your problem. Let's grease the bus and retest.
Oh.
Yeah, that was it.
Oh, boobies.